something shocking. You continue to mine, and if your portfolio is not having this particular one called BTC, I tell you, your portfolio is nothing. Look at the current price of BTC is around over 107,714.54. Yes, 54, 50, 73 kobo. I tell you, in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you a particular airdrop which will give you the privilege of mining that particular airdrop and be able to mine BTC. I tell you, this is just a ample opportunity for you to start having BTC on your portfolio. Let me quickly go to the airdrop I'm talking about on how you could be able to register. So this is the airdrop. Before I tell you the name of the airdrop, let me show you how you'll be able to register the things you need to know. So now we want to register. So here, forget about this USA showing right here. Let's put our email. Let me quickly put my email there. Let me tap in my email. So as you can see, I've actually entered my email and I've entered my password. So the next thing I need to do is to tap on register. So let me still put in my email once again. Let me still put in my email. So you see it has showed that my password was strong. So you can see I've entered my email, I've entered the password. The best way you can enter your password is to start the first one with a capital letter, then the remaining one small letter, and also has some asterisk. So let me tap on continue. So it's asking me that I should put a username. I love having my username as this. So let me tap on confirm. So this particular thing, you have to pick it accordingly to how you see it. This, it was first and this was the second one. Okay, let them bring another one. We have this, we have this, and we have this. Let me tap on yes. You see, I've gotten it. So you just have to follow this my step that you are seeing currently to be able to register. So you see, I can register. Let me save my password. So you can see it say key. The name of the project is called Key, and I'll drop in my registration link in the description of this particular video. You say keep your key confidential. Please remember the following. Look at these things we have asked to remember. Let's say your recovery phrase will be used to access this account. Key is the only way to recover your account. That means you need to keep your key phrase, save it on your mobile phone, and also find a book. I have a book where I normally write anything called key phrase, where I normally write it. And anyone who obtain this key will have full access to this account. If anyone is able to have access to it, I tell you that your account is gone. And also, please do not share your key with any third party individual website application. So I will tap on this particular one that I want to back up my key. I won't be showing in this particular video. So you too, when you are doing it, please be very careful when you are doing it. Let me pause the video. So actually, I've written my seed key somewhere. So now you can see they say verify your key. Please select the option that match the last four key. So if you look at your seed key, you look at the last four digits, what actually match it. I know what actually match my four digits, which is this particular one. So let me tap on it and click on confirm. You say verified correct. Yes, it is now correct. Now I can now log in. Okay. Yes. Voila. So now invalid email format. Let me put my email. So I've actually put my email and my password correctly now. So you could see it say login successfully. Let me tap on. So now, yes, voila, I'm now on. So the first thing you need to do, just follow my process on everything you have seen me do on this particular video. You tap on start here. You tap on start and your mining has started. You need to come here every 24 hours. You can see it has started reading 23. So I have to come here after 24 hours. So if you want to invite your friend, you come to this particular section. I'll be dropping my referral link in the description. So let me quickly tap on it. I've copied my referral link, yes, which I'll be using to invite every one of you. And this is my code, yes, which I'll also be dropping. This particular one, in case you want to invite, you have to use the two. For as many as everyone that registered through my link, you'll be able to get some bonuses. And if you do not use my code, use that code when registering, you'll be able to get the bonuses. Yes, later on, I'll be creating more video on this particular one. I think their app is not yet ready. Let me try and see for Android if it is possible to download their app. Okay, let me tap on download. You could see currently it is downloading as at now. So let me quickly let it download so I can actually show you how you'll be able to use the app, and I'll be able to put it under the file for my crypto mining file. I don't know the reason why, but it's showing me app not installed. Maybe we'll have to wait and just mine. Let me just delete it. I've just wasted 60 plus megabytes. So let's actually go back. So this is just everything you need to know. I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. And what you just need to know is that this particular token, I believe they are mining, their halving will be coming. So this is just the best time for you to start mining and gather a lot of it before their halving will come. And when that particular halving time comes, you won't be able to mine these 1.220 keys any longer. Yes, you won't be able to mine at that frequency any longer. So everything I'll be explaining more about all this particular this thing, and you can see this was the BTC I said you'll be get. Everything I will be explaining it in my upcoming video. Thank you. If you have any comment, please kindly drop it in the comment section of the particular video. Make sure you like, click on the bell notification so I get notified anytime we upload any other new video like this. Thank you. Bye bye for now.